In this video we are going to discuss the surprising health benefits of eating an avocado a day for a month. Avocado is a highly nutritious fruit that is high in beneficial fats and nutrients. Avocados are helpful for your health since they raise your HDL cholesterol levels. Vitamins K, C, E, B, potassium, and lutein are among the 20 vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in the fruit. Avocados are a delightful way to boost your health when added to a salad or a slice of whole grain toast, or cooked into a guacamole dip. Here are the surprising health benefits of eating an avocado a day for a month. Number 1. Protects the eyes. Avocado includes lutein, a pigment and antioxidant that is important for eye health. Lutein is deposited in the retina, where it aids in the filtering of damaging light and the protection of the eye against free radicals. It protects the cells from harm and promotes the growth of healthy eye cells. As you become older, eating foods high in lutein protects your eyes from disorders like macular degeneration and cataracts. Avocado's healthful fat boosts the absorption of carotenoids including beta-carotene, lycopene, and zeaxanthin, all of which combat free radicals and protect healthy cells. Number 2. Lowers blood pressure. Bananas are a wonderful source of potassium, as you may have heard. Did you realize, though, that avocados have more potassium than bananas? Avocado has 727 milligrams of potassium per 150 grams, 1 cup diced fruit, which is 21% of the recommended daily intake, RDI, for most people. Potassium is an important mineral because it helps to keep blood pressure in check. According to studies, eating potassium-rich meals lowers both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Eat potassium-rich foods and avoid sodium-rich foods if you want to lower your blood pressure. Number 3. Lowers cholesterol. You might be wondering what it means when someone says avocado includes healthy fat. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fatty acids, which help to enhance HDL cholesterol and reduce LDL cholesterol. 15 healthy and 30 hypercholesterolemic patients were given an avocado-enriched diet in a 1996 study published in Archives of Medical Research. The hypercholesterolemic participants saw a 17% drop in total cholesterol in their blood, a 22% drop in LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, and an 11% increase in HDL cholesterol. In another study, people on an avocado-rich diet were compared to those on a saturated fat-restricted diet, and both groups had similar decreases in cholesterol and lipoprotein levels. Number 4. Fights cancer. Avocado phytochemicals may play an important role in cancer prevention, according to research. Antioxidant compounds have the ability to stop precancerous and cancerous cells from growing. Avocado is a good meal to take during chemotherapy because of its fat, vitamin, and antioxidant content. A lot of data suggests that eating foods high in phytochemicals and antioxidants can help inhibit cancer cell development. Number 5. Prevents congenital disabilities. Avocado is high in folate, which is a B vitamin. Many women nowadays are aware of the benefits of taking folic acid, folate supplements, prior to and throughout pregnancy. Increased folate or folic acid reduces the risk of neural tube defect and spina bifida, according to studies, and 150 grams of avocado provides 30% of your RDI of folate. Number 6. Treats arthritis. Supplementation with avocado or soybean unsaponifiables, ASU, in symptomatic osteoarthritis patients could dramatically reduce pain, according to a 1998 study published in the Journal of Arthritis and Rheumatology. NSAID intake was reduced after a 6-month study period, and patients reported less pain. Arthritis is a persistent inflammation of the joints, and avocados contain anti-inflammatory antioxidants and monounsaturated fats. Other chronic inflammatory disorders, such as Crohn's, fibromyalgia, Parkinson's, and ulcerative colitis, may benefit from avocado. Number 7. Maintains a healthy heart. Avocados are high in heart-healthy lipids, fiber, potassium, and magnesium, among other nutrients. It helps to keep the bloodstream clean and healthy by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These elements are crucial for good cardiovascular health. Avocados ingredients aid in plaque reduction and blood vessel relaxation. Number 8. Prevents and controls diabetes. Avocado is a great blood sugar stabilizer since it contains both beneficial fats and fiber. Avocado's monounsaturated fats may help manage blood glucose, blood sugar, levels by lowering triglyceride levels and reversing insulin resistance. Avocado's soluble fiber helps to keep these levels in check. Diabetes increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, so avocado is an ideal food for diabetics because it lowers LDL cholesterol and blood pressure. Number 9. Nourishes Skin. Avocado consumption or the use of avocado face masks can aid to preserve skin health. This is due to the abundance of monounsaturated fats, vitamin C, and vitamin E in the fruit. The healthy fats boost skin tone and keep it hydrated. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects the skin from sun damage. Vitamin C is crucial for the production of elastin and collagen, which help to maintain the skin tight and wrinkle-free. This mix of nutrients gives skin the nourishment it requires for healthy skin cell regeneration, collagen and elastin synthesis, and a youthful shine. Number 10. Prevents constipation. Avocado has a high fiber content. 1 cup of diced fruit has 10 grams of fiber, or 40% of the typical RDI. A high-fiber diet has been associated to a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, hypertension, diabetes, and obesity, as well as constipation. Avocados have a lot of soluble and insoluble fiber in them. The former attaches to fat in the intestines and transports it out of the body, lowering blood LDL cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber also helps diabetics and prediabetics keep their blood sugar levels under control. Insoluble fiber fills the stomach and bulks up the stool, allowing you to eat less and feel fuller for longer. Number 11. Encourages weight loss. Since avocado is packed with fiber, you'll feel full and satisfied for a long time after eating it. Even though high-fat foods are often associated with weight gain, studies show the opposite when it comes to foods like avocado. The good fats become slow to burn energy, which prevents midday crashes. The monounsaturated fats and soluble fiber lower LDL cholesterol levels and clear out fatty deposits. Avocados can prevent afternoon snacking on less healthy choices. In general, it's best to eat more healthy foods and exercise regularly to help manage weight, rather than just restricting calories. Number 12. Increases nutrient absorption. It's not enough to simply eat foods high in valuable nutrients. Once you consume the nutrients, they need to be properly absorbed from the digestive tract into the bloodstream. Certain nutrients are fat-soluble, meaning they need to be consumed with fat to deliver their full potential. This is the case with vitamins A, D, E, and K, and carotenoids. Since avocado is full of healthy fats, it increases absorption of both the nutrients in the avocado itself and from other healthy foods as well. Let us know if you learnt anything new or valuable from this video in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.